A 54-year-old man named Shankar Majumdar from Dakhin Sonachori village under the jurisdiction of Bilonia police station was electrocuted in his home and lost his life on Friday morning. A 54-year-old man named Shankar Majumdar from Dakhin Sonachori village under the jurisdiction of Bilonia police station was electrocuted in his home and lost his life on Friday morning. His family members took him to the Bilonia hospital immediately. However, the doctors say he passed away. His child, wife and other family members were saddened and heartbroken after he passed away. However, none of the family members were aware on how he was electrocuted.
Shankar Majumdar. Bari? Bari Dakhin Sonachori sir. কেমনে হইছে? ইলেকট্রিক শর্ট বাড়িতে কেমনে বাড়িতে কেমনে হয়েছে বাড়িতে কেমনে শর্টটা খাইছে
आज सुबह ऐसे 6 बजे ऐसे को एक शंकर मजुमदार उम्र उसका 50 होगा, वो ब्रॉड डेथ लेके आया। वो उसके घर में कुछ काम करते समय इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लग के ऐसा जांच हो गया था उसका।
तो हॉस्पिटल ले आने के बाद
जब हॉस्पिटल में आया तो ही वाज ऑलरेडी डेड, मैंने जान नहीं था उस समय। तो
आप क्या करेंगे?
अभी तो उसका पोस्टमार्टम करेंगे
और पुलिस को बुलाया,
पुलिस को इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे।
The corpse of Shankar Majumdar was given to his family after the postmortem, but the family members are in a state of shock and worried after he passed away because he is the only person to earn a living in the family. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.